Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, I'll cover how you can reschedule an appointment manually from the appointments settings. So here we have an appointment, and let's suppose that we need to push this appointment to 1 hour earlier than for which it was scheduled. Note that today is October 8th and the appointment happens tomorrow. If we go in and click on the appointment to view the details, then the only option it gives here is view appointment details or cancel this appointment. You do have the option to reschedule the appointment under view appointment details. From there, you can click on open, reschedule, cancel link, and then click on reschedule. However, you'll see that the 9th is blocked off. So what we need to do is adjust one of the settings for the appointment type. Click on the appointment types under the main settings, and then click on the settings icon for the appointment type to which this pertains. In this case, schedule a tour. Click on the settings icon, click on edit, and then we're going to scroll down to scheduling options. Now, this pertains to the notice required setting. So we're going to reduce this maybe down to maybe 5 hours instead of days. And then we're going to go ahead and save. Now if we go back into appointments, click on it to view the appointment details, and then click on the reschedule cancel link, you'll see that now when we click on reschedule, the 9th is now available, and we can select a time from October 9th again. If you want to change the appointment time and then subsequently change the notice required back, you can go ahead and do so. Simply select the time that you want. So for example, in this case, we want to go 1 hour earlier, so that's going to be 3 p.m. CDT. Let's change the time zone here. And we'll go 3 p.m. We can add a note if desired. And we can then click add note, and it will update this appointment. Click update this appointment. I'm not going to do that in this case, since we don't want to notify the person in this case, but if you click update appointment, then it'll send off a new invitation with the rescheduled appointment. That's all there is to it. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to Gradelink website support.